How to update apps on Android Google Play update guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Play Store in our mobile phone. So I'll simply click on Play Store. Once I click here you guys can see For You, top charts, children, category and other things. Also on downside you guys can see games, apps, search bar option. So simply click on search bar option. Now here you guys will see search apps games, so simply click here. Now here you guys can see typing keyboard. Also for example I want to update my Easy Paisa app, so I'll simply search for Easy Paisa app. Once I search for Easy Paisa, here you guys can see Easy Paisa digital paying, so I'll simply click on that. Now here you guys can see uninstall update, so I'll simply click on update, and once I click on update our app will be start updating. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.